Sammy, where are you at?
I stalled. I'll catch up in a second.
What's up, guys? Today we are on an adventure.
We're going on an adventure!
We're gonna go check out the caves in the Citrus Wildlife Management area. Really didn't feel like loading the truck, so Sammy's being a pretty good sport. We are riding on the road, the 13 miles to the trail. So yeah, she's been doing great. She's only been riding for maybe
6 months.
For those of you who don't know Sammy, she's a pretty cool chick. She races mountain bikes, fishes, holds monster truck, and her Bart Spider. And of course, her dog,
Charlie!
Where am I going?
just up here, first right. If anyone is wondering what she is riding, that is the Orion.
Okay, so it's the 2020 Orion rxb150xl. And the little thing rips.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Definitely fun to ride, even with my fat ass on it.
Well, that's a nasty hole right there.
That's what she said!
Nope. We did do a few tweaks to it. We put a new chain on it, Kenda Trackmaster 2, and what else?
Oh, the Nibbi 26 carb. That was a game changer.
Yeah, it makes something like 13 or 14 horsepower, and I've had it up to like 65, 55, 65, somewhere right around there. That's pretty impressive for a pit bike, a street legal pit bike. Yeah, she scoots right along on that thing. She does really well. I don't have to worry about waiting too long for her to catch up. She's always right there. Yeah, she's definitely ready to move up to a 250 or maybe the new version of the 150 coming out. Rumor has it there's a big wheel 150 coming in May, but that's just a rumor. Don't hold me to that. Yeah, it'll have a 19 front and a 16 rear. New plastic. Supposed to be a totally new bike, but you know, we'll see if that comes to fruition. Well, that's a good way to get a ticket. That's an $80 ticket.
What?
That's an $80 ticket.
Oh.
Remember we saw him writing tickets last week?
Oh, yeah.
Stay on the numbered road or you will get tickets. We're going to go up here and then make the first right. Oh, they got the Lexus.
Oh, and a Raptor, look at that.
Let's see what else left the cul-de-sac today.
True story, yeah.
Good old Taco.
No, it's Tundra.
Oh, it is a Tundra, yeah.
That's the last one.
Yep. Oh, one more. Oh, another Lexus.
Wow.
Oh, little Lexus with a lip kit. Looks. And they're on to Publix. That Jeep almost went over. right here.
That's a good spot, yep.
It's been a while since we came through here.
Yeah, it has been a while. When I was a kid, we used to drive back here and go camping. In high school, this was a little party spot.
I don't think anyone come out of there anymore.
No.
Yeah, they filled it in.
Yeah, we used to be able to go through there. Like,
Kind of creepy.
walk through there in the 80s. It comes out on the other side. We used to be able to crawl in there.
Oh my god.
And walk all the way through here. Dude, there's a huge hole in here. Unfortunately, I don't have very good lighting in here. I'm going to take a few clips from Anthony Medina's channel. He's got some much better footage inside the cave. Go ahead and check out his video. There's a lot more footage of this cave. And did you know, out of the last 15,000 channel views, only 5% of you guys are subscribed? So go ahead and click that button. It's free.